Okay, so it's a nice sunny day and I thought I'd get my smoker out, so I'm just going to make a quick video showing you how I light it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I start by putting some briquettes in the bottom of the briquette tray. I'm only going to put half in because I'm only doing a small smoke today, so and then what I'm going to do is kind of push it to the outside, and we're going to light the chimney, put some in the chimney, and then that goes in there when you've lit the chimney, and it kind of burns outwards, so you get a longer burning time. Okay, so what we've got here is our chimney, and it's full of charcoal briquettes. So we're going to light these and then add them to the ones that we've already put in the smoker. So we do this, right, I've got some of these lighting blocks. You put two of these on the ground. Just make sure you've washed your hands once you've finished with these, because they are a bit toxic, so, but you're not meant to eat them anyway. And then give these a light. Okay, light both of them, and then you're going to stand the chimney on top. Okay, so what we're going to do is, it's now lit, we're going to leave this, and when it goes, when the charcoal briquettes start going kind of grey colour on top, we're then going to add it to the other ones on the smoker. Okay, so what I've got here is a water tray. I put hot water in it, don't put cold water in it, because if you do, the heat from the briquettes is going to heat the water up before it starts cooking your meat. So if you put hot water in it, then it doesn't take so much heat from your briquettes. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the briquettes in the chimney just to become grey. We're going to add them to the rest of the briquettes. We're going to put the water tray in, and we're going to put our smoker back together. We'll give it 10 minutes to kind of stabilise the heat, and then we're going to get some meat on it. Okay, see how those briquettes are starting to go kind of grey on top? So now that's ready to go into the rest of the briquettes. Okay, so now we're going to very carefully just pour these briquettes into the middle. That's it. See, you've now got all your heat in the middle, and it's going to burn outwards. So we should get a good 4 hours cooking time off this, if not even more. So we're now going to put the smoker back together. So the bottom one, I'm going to put the water tray in, being careful not to spill any. Okay, then goes on your grate. And the top. Okay, so we've got it all back together. So we're going to give it 10 to 15 minutes to kind of heat up and stabilise the temperature, and then we're going to put some food on it. That's how I like my smoker.